Okay, so this question is another kind of hypothetical. You're asked to think about what would happen to your graph if the clock started when Eileen reaches the 0 meter position. So to answer this one, you can actually go back and take data, or at least play with the simulation. The important thing is to forget about the timer. When I hit start here, forget about the timer. Imagine that the clock starts right now when she reached that 0 meter position. What if we started plotting the data from that point onward? So what would that look like? So let's take it to what our graph would look like. So remember, we're doing a position versus time graph. So position on my y-axis, time on my x. And now remember, we're going to start the clock. We want time 0 to start when she is at position 0. So my first point would be plotted right there where those two axes intersect. Then the question is, what would the graph otherwise look like? What would the graph look like? And again, use your answer to question 1 to inform your decision on this particular question.